listeners, and welcome to English Spark, the place where mastering English is both simple and enjoyable. I'm your host, Emily.
And a big hello to all our fantastic listeners out there. It's wonderful to be back with you.
It really is, Paul. How are you feeling today? You seem to be in high spirits.
I'm doing great, thanks.
Yes.
I had a really positive start to my morning, so I'm feeling optimistic. How about you?
A little hectic, perhaps.
Yeah.
My morning was definitely a bit of a blur.
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. We'll need to hear about that. Yeah.
We will.
Yeah.
And funnily enough, that leads us straight into our topic for today.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today we're planning to discussing your day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When someone asks, how was your day? It's just so tempting to say, fine or busy. Right.
But that doesn't really spark an interesting conversation, does it?
It certainly doesn't.
So today we want to dive into how to describe our daily lives in more detail.
We want to explore using a variety of tenses and more descriptive vocabulary.
This is such a practical skill
Yes.
for building connections,
Yes.
whether it's with coworkers or friends.
Without a doubt. But before we get into our chaotic mornings and packed afternoons.
Yeah.
Yes, we have a small favor to ask our listeners. If you're enjoying the English Spark podcast, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button.
And if this episode helps you, please give us a like and maybe share it with a friend who is also working on their English skills.
It means we can continue creating new episodes for all of you.
Nice.
We truly appreciate all the support.
Okay, so Paul, you had a good start, but I mentioned my morning was a blur.
Yes, you did. What happened?
It really was. I made the classic mistake. I slept right through my alarm.
Oh, that's the worst feeling, isn't it? That split second when you wake up and just see the clock.
It's total panic, pure panic. So I had to rush absolutely everything. I leaped out of bed and took the fastest shower of my life.
Did you even have time for breakfast?
Did you even have time for breakfast? Absolutely not. I grabbed a protein bar on my way out.
Yeah.
I was trying to drink my coffee while walking to the bus stop.
Wow, that sounds intense.
I'm the opposite. I can never skip breakfast. You're clearly more organized than I am.
Well, most of the time,
Today was good. I got up quite early, around 6 a.m.
Wow. Intentionally? I prefer to have a slow start.
Yes.
And I brewed a big pot of coffee.
The famous Paul coffee.
Yeah.
How do you drink it?
Again.
Just black.
Strong and black. It helps me get going.
I'm usually more of a tea drinker, but on a day like today, I definitely needed the caffeine boost.
So I sipped my coffee and scrolled through the news headlines for about half an hour.
That sounds so relaxing. I'm a little bit jealous.
It really helps me mentally prepare for the day.
And I already went for a jog this morning.
Yeah.
You already went for a jog before this recording?
Just a quick one. Before.
Yes.
Just a quick one.
Yes.
Maybe 20 minutes around the local park.
The weather was beautiful. That's incredible. I was meant to go to the gym this morning, but, well, my alarm clock had other ideas for me.
It happens to everyone.
Yeah. So you were rushing to the bus stop.
Right.
How was the commute itself? It wasn't too bad. And surprisingly, I actually managed to get a seat on the train.
Oh, that's a small victory. It really was.
So I listened to a new podcast while I was traveling. It was about ancient history. It was fascinating, and it helped me calm down after the morning rush.
That sounds much better than my commute.
Oh, you drove up to us for work by a full minute? Oh, you drove in today?
I did. And the traffic was just terrible.
Oh, yeah.
And I was sitting in my car for nearly an hour, just not moving.
That's the worst. What do you do when you're stuck in traffic like that?
Well, I put on some music and I was organizing my workday in my head.
Yeah.
Okay. Prioritizing my tasks.
That's a productive way to use the time. And I usually just get annoyed.
Oh, I was annoyed, but I tried to stay calm.
Good job. So you finally made it to the office.
Finally, yes. Yeah. And the day started right away. We had a big team meeting at 9:30.
How did that go?
It went well, I think. We discussed the new project timeline.
The new project. That sounds exciting.
It's going to be a lot of work, but the client is really enthusiastic.
Yes.
We are developing a new app for a food delivery service.
Yeah. Wow, that is cool.
Yeah, it is. But today's meeting was focused on all the deadlines.
So a bit serious, I understand. My morning at work was just emails. Exactly. Because I was late, my inbox was already overflowing.
Yeah.
I spent the first 2 hours just replying to emails and catching up on messages.
Catching up.
Yeah.
That's a great phrasal verb.
Yeah.
It means to do the work you should have done earlier.
Yes, I was definitely catching up. It was nonstop. By about 11 a.m., I felt like I could finally breathe.
Wow.
Then I had to prepare for this.
What about lunch? Did you go out?
No, I brought my lunch today
Yeah.
and I'm trying to save money and eat healthier.
Very disciplined. What did you have?
Just a quinoa salad.
I was so busy, I just ran downstairs and grabbed a sandwich.
Was it good at least?
It was fine. A bit uninspiring.
I ate it at my desk while I was working.
The Al Disco lunch.
Al disco. I like that term. I try to avoid doing that.
Yeah.
And that I think it's important to take a real break, even if it's just for 15 minutes.
I know, you're right. I always feel better when I step away.
My afternoon was long.
Oh, no.
Why?
I had to work on that finance report.
Ugh, not the finance report. That one is always so complicated.
It is just so many numbers. My eyes are still sore. I was staring at spreadsheets for 3 straight hours.
Well, good job getting through it.
Thanks.
Thanks.
What about your afternoon? Was it better than your morning?
Yes, much better.
Yeah.
I had a very productive call with a client.
Oh, good. Was it the client you were worried about last week?
Exactly.
I thought they were unhappy with the new designs.
They loved them. They had only a few small changes.
Emily, that's fantastic news. Wow.
I know. I was so relieved. It really made my whole day better.
See, all that hard work paid off. That's another good phrasal verb.
It really paid off. I felt so much lighter after that call.
Yeah.
After that, I managed to finish my presentation for tomorrow.
You're giving a presentation tomorrow?
Yes, just to my department, but I wanted to be ready. So I have already sent the slides to my manager.
You have already sent them.
Wow, Emily, you are organized.
Oh,
Well, I try. I didn't want to worry about it tonight.
that makes total sense. So you've had a busy day,
Yes.
a stressful start, but a good finish.
Yeah. What are you doing this evening? Are you going to relax?
Well, first I need to finish that report.
Yeah.
Just for an hour, I hope.
Yeah.
Then I am going to relax completely.
What does relax look like for you, Paul?
I think I am going to order a pizza.
I've earned it after that report. Yes, you have.
And I started watching a new documentary series last night. It's about deep sea exploration.
Yeah.
It's fascinating. The cinematography is beautiful.
That does sound cool.
Yeah.
I might look for that one.
I really recommend it. So pizza and a documentary, that is my perfect quiet evening.
That sounds lovely.
Where's them argument with Therese Valley?
What about you? Are you doing anything special tonight? I am meeting my sister for dinner.
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice. I haven't seen your sister in ages. How is she? She's doing really well.
Yeah.
She just started a new job, so we are going to celebrate.
That's great. Where are you going?
We are trying that new Italian restaurant that just opened on Main Street.
Oh, La Vita. I have heard really good things about it.
Yeah, me too. I am really looking forward to it.
We're looking forward to it. A great expression for being excited about the future.
Yes. I hope the pasta is as good as everyone says.
Well, Hills Trouncing. Well, I hope you have a wonderful time. What about the rest of your week?
Tomorrow is just work.
Mm-hmm.
What about you?
I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday up to Blue Mountain.
Oh, yeah.
It's about a 2-hour drive, but the view is supposed to be amazing.
That sounds like a great way to unwind from the week. I think I will probably just relax on Saturday.
Yeah.
Maybe do some shopping.
Yeah. It's so interesting, isn't it? When we stop and think, there's so much to say about one day.
We didn't just say my day was busy. I talked about how I was feeling this morning, that panic.
And I talked about my commute and what I was doing while I was waiting in traffic.
Yeah.
We use the past simple for finished actions, like I had a meeting.
And the past continuous for actions in progress, like I was working on the report.
And the present perfect for today, like I have already sent the slides. And of course, we used going to and the present continuous to talk about our plans for this evening.
It makes the whole story of our day much richer.
And it's a wonderful way to practice your English.
That's a great point. Well, I've had a great time talking about our day, Emily.
Me too, Paul.
Yeah.
I think we're running out of time.
Well, 2 S's, Strom.
You are right.
You are right. That's all the time we have.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Please subscribe to English Spark and share this episode. And we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what have you done today? Or what are you going to do tonight?
Yes. We love reading your comments. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.